Welcome to Virtual Vinyasa Academy. I am so excited that you're here on the path to becoming a successful online yoga teacher and yoga business. And I gotta tell you a couple things before we get started, okay? Number one, make sure to join our private Facebook group. So that's a group of like-minded individuals, typically new yoga teachers who are just getting started online as well, and a place where you can answer questions, and I'm going to be there for you every step of the way. Number two, fill out the intake form that's at the welcome section of the course content, and I can also link it down below so that I can get to know you a little bit more and you can share your journey and where you're at right now. And then number three, go ahead and if you'd like to, dive into some of the course content. It's all up there for you right now already. So starting with goal setting, moving on to business plans and yoga teacher clarity, and then watching whatever sort of calls to you. So I've got videos, tutorials, workbooks, checklists, all of that available for you right now, and you have lifetime access as I continue to update the course and beyond. So we will start a 6-week reset or like through the course content August 1st, and beyond that afterwards, which is awesome, the group continues. So we still do accountability calls. I'm still checking in and answering questions. So I don't leave you after these 6 weeks. You still have access to the course, the group, and all the content, and to me to help you out as you continue your journey to successful yoga teacher online. Okay? All right, so go do those 3 things, and I can't wait to get started. Oh, by the way, our coaching calls are going to be Fridays and Sundays. You don't have to show up live every single time, although it's highly recommended because then we can actually get in front of each other, ask questions, and get them answered. You can watch the replays because they will be recorded, so if you're unable to make it live, you can watch the replay later on. Sound good? Awesome. I can't wait to meet you and get to know you and work with you. So I'll be staying in touch and we'll chat soon.